Hey there, I'm Kelly with Centric, here to bring you another week of Live Better tips. Summer vacation is coming to an end and it's time to go back to school. Here are some tips to help your family adjust back to the busy school year. Number one, get back into your routine. What works for every family is different, so stick to what works for you and don't be afraid to change things up and try something new. Don't forget to set aside a time during each week for homework. When you find your bedtime routine, stick to it. Number two, don't forget to budget for after-school activities. If you pay for after-school care, work that into your budget and make cuts elsewhere if necessary. Don't forget to budget for all the fall sports and budget for extra school supplies, school fees, and field trips. Number three, consider meal prepping on weekends. Planning meals ahead will save you time during the week. Find these tips and more at mycentric.org.